We're at the south end of the new terminal building, just where it connects to the new roadway structure. We have 18 escalators going into this project, and these escalators are manufactured back east, and they're shipped in pieces, usually mostly assembled. The actual pallets, the stairways, and the motors and everything inside the units themselves, they call them trusses. They weigh nearly 30,000 pounds a piece. They bring those two pieces together, and then they use what they call chain hoists or chain falls, usually to set them. Then they have to raise it above the hole that they set in order to place them in the proper configuration, and then they lower them down. There's not actually anything that bolts them to the structure. They're designed to float in the structure so that if the structure ever moves, they kind of float with it, but they will not fall out. You know, to be a part of the escalators, which because of their size, people see them, and everything about this is just cool and great to be part of, and it's exciting.